Okay, so our featured product section is done. So let's commit everything to GitHub. Okay, so we can close everything now. So then we have our latest product section, right? So for our latest product section, let's create another component. Source component homepage, and let's say latest products.jsx. Okay, then we have to import it in our homepage. So right after our featured products section, we can say latest products. And for our latest products, we have to call another API. Okay, sorry. Okay, so for our latest product, we have to call another API and get our API data from there. I'm just going to copy it. So we have a function called fetch latest product, and inside it, we are going to use enthusiast.get, and we also have to enter our use a template string. So we can say process.env dot next API URL, and then we can enter the endpoint. So from here, when we get our data, we are setting up in a state called latest product, and we are fetching it using another use effect. So you can use this function directly inside your effect, or you can just write all the logic inside a function, then call the function from use effect. So what the advantage is that if you want to fetch that function again or fetch the data again, you can just call the fetch product. So we're going to just console log the latest products and see if we get the data. Let's go to, okay, so we didn't import the state, import the hook. So we have to import this hook and our use effect hook too. Okay. Request failed with the status code. Okay, we got an error. Okay, that's the error. Yes, now we got the data. So as you can see, it is the structure is the same as the previous data. We have our name, Slack, our thumbnail, our price and discount and ratings count, and everything is similar. The data is the same data, but just we are getting the latest products. So actually we're not going to follow our design here. Our design actually doesn't match the data. So we're just going to follow here, and don't worry, when you will be building this project, you will get the updated Figma file. So in our latest product, we have a full section, right? So to do that, let's actually first of all give it a class name of latest products. Okay. So for now, I'm going to go a little bit faster, and I'm just going to copy paste the classes from the previous one. Don't worry, I'm going to explain everything, but just we're going to save some time by if I don't type everything. So with our latest product, we also have to create another uh, component. Sorry, another CSS file. So inside our folder, we can say latest products.scss. And here we can just add our latest product class. Sorry. Okay, so our latest product will have a background color of BG gray and a margin top and a padding bottom. That means it will have a background and some padding. Sorry, we have to import that in our main.css. So let's do that. So inside our home, we have our latest products. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so we have our style. So then we have to import our so we have to do the same thing. So inside our latest product, we can just say latest products. Okay, so why is it capital? All right. So inside our latest product dot length, if it is greater than 0, then we want to render a div, but if it is not, we just want to render an empty fragment. And let's give it a class name of main container. And inside our main container, we have to give it our latest product. So first of all, we have to enter the the latest product title and our view more button. So to do that, we're not going to enter any of that. Titles, let's say titles, yeah, sure. And let's go to our latest product section, and inside our main container, is it main container? Sorry, not this main container. Yes, we have our titles. So what we are doing is we are setting up the main containers inside that the full container. So we have the same alignment with other sections. So with our latest product, we have to we can say display flex and justify content center, align items center. Oh, not justify content should be space between. Okay. Okay. So all right. Then okay, so then what we can do is we're going to take another div to render our products. So I'm going to give it a class name called product container. And inside our product container, we can actually map our products. So latest products dot map, and then we'll take a product and we'll render a div for each product. We have to give it a key. It's a product dot product dot underscore id, right? Okay, and then the first thing we want to render is our image, like so. Let's render the image first. It is going to come from next image, and then as source we can say product dot thumbnail, right? Product dot thumbnail, and for our height, let's say 500, and for our width, let's say 500, and for alt, let's say latest product image. All right. So let's go back to our UI. Okay, so we have our products. Now we have to handle the styling. So we can take our product container, and after titles, we can actually display it to grid, and we're going to say grid template columns repeat 12 on FR, and gap is going to be 20 pixel. Okay, so as you can see, what I am doing here is I'm saying that repeat 12, like there should be 12 sections, each will take one fraction, right? So that immediately like breaks our UI. So then what we can do is inside that we can give our each of the cards, let's say product, right? So each of our product, let's give it a class name or product. So then we can go to our product and say each product should take a span. Is it grid span? I think so. Yeah, grid column. Yeah. So I can say grid column span 4. So we are getting 12 sections, right, inside our in our within our width. So each product will take a span of 4. So each row will have uh, like 3 products. Okay. So now we can give it a style, sorry, gap. It already has gap. So okay. Okay, so let's give it a border radius of 10 pixel. Okay, what is happening? Product, right? uh, Products container, product. What is wrong here? Oh, I removed the grid column, sorry. Okay, so the gap isn't applied. We have to control the height of our image 2. So product image. Okay, let me check. So I can come here that say that inside each product, so like the immediate image that is inside our product. So any image we add in after that, like inside that div, like let's say we have a image here, right? So only the immediate image tag will be affected by it. So let's say image. Okay, let's just give it a class. Let's not be lazy. Class name product image. No. Okay, so we can say the width should be 100%, height should be 100%, and object fit should be cover. Okay, so that fixes the problem. Then, as you can see in over our images, we have these text, right? Like overflowing. So of course we have to use positioning. Okay, so after that we can come here and take another div, and let's give it a class name of details. Okay. So what are the elements we have? We have a favorite icon, we have our title, our rating, and the uh, discount percentage, right? So let's take the favorite icon again, first of all. Okay. So we are just taking a button, and inside that button we have that SVG of the favorite icon. This is this SVG of the favorite icon. So if I just save that, okay, now we can see that. So for to do that, we have to make our this product container or the details container. We have to use positioning, right? So to do that, let's go to our product again. And let's actually give it a max height of 400 pixel, and we are going to give it a position of relative, and the background color should be white. Okay, and then inside that, after product image, we can say details, right? Details, and we can say position absolute top 0, left 0, width should be 100%, height should be 100%, and background color, let's give it a background color. Okay, so this is just the black color with, okay, so this is your black color, and I just removed some opacity, so let's say 20% or 40%. So we have an overlay. Okay, so as you can see, we have an overlay over our main images, and we also positioned that details div on top of the images, so everything will come over our image. Okay, so let's give it a Z index also, just in case. Let's say 20 pixel, and let's say border. So if you see here, it is a square again, right? So we have to give it a border radius too. Border radius the same as the parent component. 10 pixel. Okay, looks fine. Then we can say we want to add a padding to that of 30 pixel, and we want to say display flex direction. Let's not justify content, space between. Okay, let's add those classes later. Let's go to the UI. Okay, so we have our button here. So let's style that button also. So we have what is the class name of that button? Okay, favorite, right? So we can say inside our details, the favorite icon, where is the class? Let me get the class. Okay. So the button is given a height, a width, a background color of white, and the display is flex because it is a button, and justify content center, align item center. So this is the usual process of creating a div and centering the elements inside that div. So nothing ordinary, extraordinary. I think most of you who know CSS can do this. And then we have to add the other details or documents. Okay, so after that, what do we have? We have the title, right? So let's take the title again. Okay, so I'm going to get the title. Okay, this is the title. This should be product.name, and we have our title product, which we also have to add style to. So where is this? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yes. Okay. So we are setting the width to 80%, so it leaves some space for a space on the right side. And after that, I'm saying the font size and the line height and font width, the usual stuff. And after that, we have the rating, right? So for rating, what we are going to do is, let's go to our latest product again. Okay, so for our rating, we are actually using another design component. It is coming from design. So if you want to show rating, you do not have to use any external library. design provides us a lot of different components for different implementation. So inside the rate component, you just have to add the styles and the default value. So we're just entering the rating count. So design will actually manually handle all of the ratings. So if we save that and come to the UI, Okay, so it broke, we gave it wrong product. It should be product, yes. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, we have got our rating here. This product has a rating of 2. So Antizen is manually handling the color of the rating. So you do not have to create a rating system yourself or use any external library. And for our rating, we can just where is rating? Okay, let's just give it a padding top of 10 pixel. Okay, so it has some space from the title. And so all of the text should be white, right? So actually let's make it a little bit darker because, okay. Where is it? Yeah, okay, here. So from here, inside our details, we can just globally say that the color should be white, right? Okay, okay, now it looks better. And then what do we have? We have our discount, right? So here also we have to manage what is the discount, right? Like it is a flat discount or a percentage discount. So we have to handle that here too. So we can go to our latest product and then, okay, let me just do this manually. Okay. So if the product has discount, right? And the discount has value which is greater than 0, then we can say that we want to render the up to or the rating, right? So then we can give it a class name of discount, and inside our discount, then we can say that p dot discount dot discount type. Let me get that from here. P dot discount and discount type. Yep, sorry. Discount type, if it is equals to percent, right? If it is equals to percent, then we can just say, we do not have to calculate it, we can just say up to 10% off, right? So then we can just take a span and we can say up to p product. Okay, it should be product here too. What am I doing? Okay, so product dot discount dot value, right? So as it is a percentage value, it should be percent. And then we can complete the ternary operator by saying that if it is not a flat discount, sorry, it is not a percentage discount, we can just say flat the discount amount of, right? Okay, we have to add an off here, I think. Offline. So if it is a flat discount, if it is not a percent discount, then of course it is a flat discount, right? So if it is a flat discount, we can just say flat this amount is off. So product dot discount dot value off. Okay. So let's go back. All right. So up to 10% off, up to 5% off, up to 5% off. And okay, now we have a flat, and if it is a flat discount, it is flat $500 off. Okay. All right, so it was simpler than the previous one. So now we want to add some style to discount too. So where is it? Where is it? That's okay. After rating, we can say discount let me take the style too. So the text transform to uppercase, so everything is uppercase. Font weight is 60, font size is 18, padding top 20 pixel to give it a space after the ratings here. Okay, right. So the usual design. And after that, we can go to our latest product.